Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can purchase GCP from anyone, like without having disabled problem. Okay, so what happened to most of us, like when we purchase a GCP account, our GCP account gets disabled within 5 hours or maximum 1 or 3 days, right? So I'm gonna show you how you can fix that. So let get it started. So after you purchase the account, here is the Gmail and here is the password, right? So you have to simply just log into the Gmail with that password, and don't change the password or two-factor or anything right now before checking. Okay, first we have to check the account is good or not, and then we can change the password and 2FA. So what we have to do, the first step gonna be, okay, so let me give you some extra things in your minds, so you know the current price of the GCP in the market. And it has to be like this, like $8 to $12. Okay, if you are paying more than that, then you are losing money. Okay, don't pay more than $8 to $12 to anyone, even he is a reseller or a creator, it doesn't matter. So in step 1, take the GCP account from buyer and simply log into the Gmail and don't change the password. Okay, for now. So before fully checked if the account is good or not. So whatever I said previously, that is written in here. Okay, so after login in Gmail, we will go to the Google Cloud. So when we will come Google Cloud and into the VMs section, we all know this section properly. So I am here, you can see 12 of my VMs. So when I purchased the account, you can see the name Ishita is here lenser at the rate of gmail.com, right? It is the same account. Ishita is here lenser at the rate of gmail.com. So the first thing we have to go is in the billing. Okay, before going into billing, let me show you something. So as you can see, I created the creation time. I created those VMs like in August. It's almost November. So my account has been expired like in 2 days. As you can see, in November 10th, my account got expired 2 days ago. Okay, November 10th. So I'm telling you, this is currently a expired account, not a real account. Okay, fully expired. So after showing you that, we'll go to billing. Here you can see billing. Let me take it here. We'll click billing. So after that, we have to go, the first step gonna be go to billing and go in account management. Okay, as you can see, I have multiple project names, but when you will first purchase the account, you will probably have only one project. Okay, my first project and the project ID. These two things, project ID and project name, this is very important. We have to take note of this. I'll come to this point later. Okay, so let me show you the first thing that we have to notice in the account while purchasing, while you are in escrow with the seller. Okay, in account management, we have to go into the sidebar and check the billing account administrator. You can see the billing account administrator has to be your Gmail account that you just received from the seller in the escrow or whatever. So here you can see Ishita is here lenser at the rate of gmail.com, the same Gmail. Okay, Ishita is here at the rate of gmail.com. Ishita is here at the rate of gmail.com. So there has to be only one billing account administrator. If there is any second Gmail or whatever, you can contact the seller and tell him to remove it, or you can remove it yourself. Okay, there has to be, listen, there has to be only one billing account administrator. Ishita is here lenser at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, so after checking that, let me just erase that little quick. After checking that, we will simply go to credits. Okay, as you can see, the free trial. Huh? Okay, we have to only take care of this part. You don't have to look into this part because this is my another thing which has nothing to do with this disableness. Okay, so we have to look at this free trial which is currently expired. I told you previously. So we have to look at the remaining value. When you will purchase, there will be 90 days remaining in your account, obviously, and the value should be $300. Okay, $300. So after checking all of that, we'll go our next destination, which will be the payment setting. This is the most important part. Okay, in the payment setting, first we have gone in account management and have checked the account administrator, then credits, and after that payment setting, not payment method, payment setting. After going into payment setting, okay, let it load. We'll go all the way down, okay, until we find these payment users. Okay, so here what the seller can do, he can add multiple Gmails in these sections and have multiple users. So you have to keep in mind, before you purchase it, there should be only one users. Okay, there should be only one users. What am I doing? There should be only one users, and that one user has to be your current Gmail that you received from your seller. Okay, Ishita is here, lancer@gmail.com. If the Gmail doesn't match even one single letter, the most important part, did you get it? If even the Gmail doesn't match for single alphabet, it's very risky to buy. Okay, did you get it? So you have to fully match. You have to fully match with your Gmail that is it the right Gmail which is in charge of your payments. Okay, so Ishita is here Lancer@gmail.com. Ishita is here Lancer@gmail.com. It fully matched, so it's fine. So now, what the fuck? So first we have gone in account management, then credits, then payment setting, and at the last we have to go to payment method. These 4 places that we have to travel through to see everything is okay or not. I will not click that. So as I told you that my account recently got disabled 2 days ago. See, November 10th. So it's obviously gonna be look like this, transaction declined. Okay, it's not a big deal. So how your account must look while you are purchasing? Here's the screenshot I've taken previously to show you. See, your payment method section must look like this. Okay, here Visa is added, only remove and edit option, no fix button. If there is a fix button, don't purchase that account. If any of these criteria like account management or credits or payment setting or payment method, if any single of these criteria doesn't match, don't purchase that account. That seller is a scammer, 100%. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, one more important thing is, do not buy a UPI account if the primary payment option is UPI. Like, you don't know the UPI, there is a payment option called Indian UPI. If you see this logo in here instead of Visa or whatever, do not purchase that account. The UPI account will eventually get disabled by Google themselves within 15 days. Mark my word, because the seller will obviously take their refund and take the 1000 inner in their pocket. And they're not gonna give you that 1000 rupees. Okay, so eventually within 15 days your account will be disabled by Google themselves. So do not buy UPI accounts, only Visa and MasterCard, and sometimes maybe American Express. You can buy those card accounts, not UPI accounts. Okay, so after doing all of this, let me show you the steps. This is the second step that which I just described. Gmail based account, not domain account, created by Visa or MasterCard, no fix button, whatever I just said, okay? At least 12 hours of warranty to properly take over the account. Sometimes Google project takes that time to get deleted. So this is the most important part, which I haven't touched and haven't told you, because this is the final part, okay? And most importantly, the Gmail you provide should be inside the account. Okay, whatever, you can forget this because I already told you it previously. So at least 12 hours of warranty. Why we need 12 hours, like 5 to 12 hours? Why we need that? We need that because if you go into account management and you see the project name and project ID, there can be multiple projects. You can see Ishita work 1, Ishita work 2, and there is another third one, 3 projects, right? So there can be multiple projects. So the thing we need to do, we have to delete this project and create our fresh project, because whatever backdoor, whatever API the hacker or the scammer has put in your project, when we will delete the project, it will all vanish. Did you get my point? So to delete the project, we have to just copy the project ID. So I'm gonna show you how I can delete this project. This is the final important part. We must have to delete our project. Here you see step 3, step 2 is done. Delete all the projects, most important part, to ruin scammers, hidden APIs or backdoors. This is the most important part. We have to delete, we must delete the project. So to delete the project, here you can see I will just copy the project ID. After copying the project ID, here is the code which will delete your project permanently. So you can see Ishita work 2. We'll just replace Ishita work 2 with the project ID. You see, I'm making the tutorial very simple to so if 5 years old can also understand, okay? Then we'll copy it. After copying it, we'll just click this button, account shell. Bro, I'm giving you this method like for free. I don't think anyone in the world can give you this information for absolutely free. You have to consider it like no one gonna give you. So when it's done, we'll just, so sometimes when you will click this logo, it will ask for you for your authorization. So you have to click the authorization button first. So I have done it maybe previously when I was looking around. That's why it didn't ask for authority. So now we will just simply paste our code here. You can see this is the code. gcloud project delete this project ID. This thing that we copied previously. After that, we'll press simply enter and Y. Again enter. Okay. So deleted. So when you see deleted, these options, one option, okay, why I'm saying options, okay, you can undo this operation. So to delete this first project, which is currently deleted, as you can see deleted, it will take the Google server from 10 minutes to 1 hour or whatever. That's the point. We need the warranty hours. So here you can see I told you that we need at least 12 hours of warranty. It's not a big deal because most of the sellers are giving you like 1 day or 7 days warranty, right? So it's not a big deal. So when we have our warranty, we'll just delete all the projects one by one. As you can see, this will be deleted very soon. And you will also get a email in your Gmail that project permanent deletion warning. It means the code has successfully worked. Okay. Now it will take some time to disappear here. Oh, it already disappeared. See, so sometimes it will just be get deleted within seconds or within minutes, and sometimes it will take some time. So when the project is deleted, it's completely secured now. Nobody in the world, and let me tell you, nobody in the world can take over your account right now. Did you get it? This is the end. So yeah, I told you all the steps. Every step is very important, and every letter that they gonna give. they gonna scam you like so properly, like they will give you the Ishita here freelancer at the rate of gmail.com, but Ishita L here gmail.com will be added in your payment setting. You see? Payment setting. So yeah, this is all. There's nothing more that I can show you. Your account is properly secured now. So if you need any help, you can just contact me here in the Telegram, or this is the username that I use in every social media like Facebook, like Twitter, like Instagram, like anywhere you can find me with this same username, freaking images one. So if you need any help, I will help you for free, bro, for free. Okay, thank you very much, and save your money and stay away from scammers. If you find any person selling you like dumb accounts, or you get some sketchy things that doesn't match with my video, totally block him and take the refund from the escrow. Okay, good luck with your journey, whatever you are doing. Thank you so much.